said you'd only stay the night, but look how the stars still hold your eyes. My hands weren't ready to let go, but your silence whispered, don't say no.
I packed my words but left my soul, 'cause every part of you feels like home. You brewed your tea, I stayed for more. One kiss made me forget the door.
Stay for the sunrise, stay for the truth, stay for the stillness that lives inside you. Don't go just yet, love's not through. We were strangers last night, but this morning we're new. We don't need promises, just this breath. No need to rush what the heart hasn't said.
But if you want forever, I'll wait. If you just want coffee, I'll stay.
Stay for the sunrise, stay for the truth, stay for the stillness that lives inside you. Don't go just yet, let morning prove that I'm not just passing, I'm planted in you. No suitcase needed when love unpacks you.
Stay for the sunrise, love, just one more view.